Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard for Shopify. Integrate your Shopify to TrafficGuard. Shopify website integration is a useful way for agencies or freelancers to provide customers with more creative online shopping experiences and opens up new opportunities to pitch the SDK to current or potential clients. Better yet, it means that smaller clients, those that previously would not have had the budget or thought it would be overly complicated, can now integrate Shopify into their website. Platform integration. Steps. 1. Log into your TrafficGuard dashboard and navigate to your properties and click on the property you have created and copy your site tracker tag. 2. In your Shopify admin, click Online Store and then click Themes. 3. In the Theme dropdown, click Edit Code. 4. Paste the code snippet you copied from your TrafficGuard property into the head tags of your theme. 5. In your Shopify admin, click Save. Using TrafficGuard's Google Tag Manager Installer. TrafficGuard's Google Tag Manager Installer plugin for Shopify performs two key functions for e-commerce merchants. Firstly, it installs Google Tag Manager, GTM, on your site so that you don't need to edit your site's theme. Liquid. Secondly, for TrafficGuard's fraud prevention users, you can easily implement your TrafficGuard tag by inputting your property ID within the plugin. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.